everything is okay. We're done. So we have the states, we have the data, we have the error message. Here we have our constructor, and everything is required, as you can see here. With this copy with function, we can be able to change some data of our object without changing everything in our objects actually for this state here. The other thing that we're gonna do will be the create post qubit, this one here, and we're gonna do the same thing actually. So let's come down here and take everything from this class, and we're just gonna copy all of them here in this one, and then change some stuff like this one here. It's gonna be create post data qubit. Yeah, let's paste it everywhere just like this, and after that this one will be create post states. Yeah, this one here, and here it's not a list of posts, but instead it's just a single object. Yeah, we're gonna remove this const here and try to save. It's not working, so yeah, I know why. It's gonna extend this state class like this. So let me save. Okay, let's keep on changing stuff here. This one here will not be load anymore. It's gonna be create posts, and here let's say create posts like this. Yeah, so let me explain this. This is the create post function. First, we're gonna emit our loading states. So when the user click on the save post button, the loading animation will be displayed to the user, so the user can know that his post is actually being sent to the user. So this is why we have these, we are emitting these loading states, and after that we go to our repository and try to create the post actually. So here we're gonna pass some parameters, posts data model, sorry, this one here, and after that we're gonna say here data like this. Okay, here we can just remove this one here and then copy it like this. We don't need this delayed, let's remove it, and after that, yeah, everything is okay. So as you can see, this function is very clear, everything is very clear here. So here we emit first our loading state, here we go to the server in order to create these posts, and after that when we have our response, we just take that response and put it inside of our states, our state class, and changing also the states. It's going to be success, and if there is any error, the state will change to error, so the state will be error state, and here the message, this message is the one that will be sent to the user on the UI. So this is it. Okay guys, as you can see here, we have already created our create post data qubit, but in order to be able to use it, we're gonna go back to our main.dal file, and here in the multi-block provider we're gonna add it just here below. Let's say create post data qubits. Let's pick this one, and yeah, it's okay.